Hi, this is Venkat Narayana from Sunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss pattern with numbers in Java like below. In first row we need to display 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In second row 5, 4, 3, 2. In third row 5, 4, 3. In fourth row 5, 4. And fifth row 5. This is continuation to previous video. Please go through previous video before going through this video. We are going to discuss this program in IntelliJ. Open IntelliJ and create Java application. First step is read the input from command prompt. System dot out dot print. Please provide number of rows. Create instance for scanner class. Scanner sc equal to new scanner and pass system.in. Later invoke nextInt method sc.nextInt and assign to integer variable int number of rows. If you want to display output like this, then we need two for loops. One for loop to get rows, another for loop to get columns and values. For int row equal to 1, row less than or equal to number of rows, row plus plus. For int column equal to number of rows, column greater than or equal to row, column minus minus. System dot out dot print column plus white space system dot out dot println. Execute this program, go to run, click on run main. Please provide number of rows 5, enter. Here we have output like 5 4 3 2 1, 5 4 3 2, 5 4 3, 5 4 5. We will debug this program. To understand flow of execution, put breakpoint here, go to run, click on debug main, click on console window, F7. Please provide number of rows 5, enter. The number of rows is equal to 5. In first for loop, int row is equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 5, true. It goes to inner loop. In inner loop, we have column is equal to number of rows. Number of rows is equal to 5, 5 assigned to column. Next, 5 greater than or equal to 1, true. Then this for loop will execute 5 times. F7, print column value 5, F7. Here we have value. Later column decremented 1, that means 4, 4 greater than or equal to 1, true. Print column, here 4 printed. Column decremented 1, that means 3, 3 greater than or equal to 1, true. Print 3, then 2, later 1. Now here column is equal to 1, it will decrement 1 value, that means 1 minus 1, 0, 0 greater than or equal to 1, false. It exits from inner loop. Cursor goes to next line. Later row incremented 1, previously row is equal to 1, now row is equal to 2 less than or equal to 5, true. Here 5 assigned to column, then 5 greater than or equal to 2, that means this loop will execute 4 times. Here we have values 5 4 3 2, further goes to next line. Now row incremented 1, that means row is equal to 3, 3 less than or equal to 5, true. This loop will execute 3 times. It will continue. Now row is equal to 5, it will increment 1 value, that means row is equal to 6, 6 less than or equal to 5, false. It exits from for loop. And here we have output like 5 4 3 2 1, 5 4 3 2, 5 4 3, 5 4 5. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.